This is one way to wake up the morning. Let's go. Good morning to y'all, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. There's nothing like a Ferrari factory race car to wake you up early in the morning. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry to all of my neighbors. Luckily, it's a work day, so everybody should be at work, everybody should be at school. It's not like it's Saturday morning. I'm in third gear. I'm trying to keep the RPMs as low as possible. Another successful drive in the 430 challenge. Every time I drive this car and I don't end up in jail, it's a success. About 5 minutes ago, I felt like a zombie, and now that I've been in this car, my adrenaline is like spiked through the roof. I feel like I'm going through cardiac arrest. So, we sold the Ferrari today, but not this Ferrari. I know you guys saw the title and thumbnail, and yes indeed, I sold another car, and I realized like every single video, it seems like we're buying and selling something. Come on. Why won't this? It'll never work for me. It's a straight piped Raptor. Oh, come on. This is really like a representation of my life and my future. I can never get this stuff to work. When the Ford engineers developed the remote startup, they didn't think I would. Whoa, is this 3? That was unexpected. Thank you, Burlacker. Massive shout out to Mr. Burlacker for letting me borrow the Raptor, but also the Clutch Pop-Tart, the brown cinnamon sugar, definitely their best flavor, and little stale, but still pretty good. I don't feel very good now. I wonder, is this thing expired? How long has this been in here? It's the sound that I made this. Jeez. The irony right now, Hollywood couldn't even script this right now. There is a white C8 Corvette coming upon me right now. Chandler, who bought my C8 Corvette, is buying my Ferrari. Obviously the car's purple now, but you know what I mean. Dude, that thing looks so sick. Wow, that is so crazy. Like, what are the chances of that? I haven't seen a C8 in forever. The guy in the C8 Corvette looked at me like I was an idiot because I was filming him in the Ferrari. My first rule whenever I sell a car is you always fill it up with a tank of gas and you fix the TPMS sensors. So, we're trying to do air and check it out. R8 Spider, not bad. Not bad at all. So we're looking for 33 PSI. And just like that, the TPS is gone. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the FI exhaust, but it's gone. Hit it, go, go, go. That thing's crazy. She just looks so sad and pathetic, but it's supposed to get into the low 70s today, so we should be able to unwrap the car, I think, I hope. Yes, you might say I'm trading the 458 Liberty Walk for an Aventador Liberty Walk. I'd say it's a good trade. I think I've said this a couple times, but Nick's dad, the Burlacker's dad, Papa Burlacker, he owns the Fox Body, so as much as I'd love to mod it, it's not really my car to mod. I am so amazed that my neighbors haven't like tried to evict me by a vote or something, you know? I am gonna miss this Ferrari 458 so much, especially the howl of that straight pipe FI exhaust. Now there's a lot of reasons I'm selling the car. First and foremost, Chandler reached out to me a month and a half ago. He's like, one of my dream cars is a 458 Spider. If you ever wanna sell your car, call me first. So he really wanted the car. Obviously I bought the Aventador Roadster. Financially, there's no way I could keep both cars for now, and so the 458 had to go. But then also, a Ferrari wide body is cool, but an Aventador wide body will change your life, and so naturally, whenever I sell a car, I always want to make the experience as cool as possible. So all the cars are outside, the Ferrari's tucked away in the garage. When Chandler shows up and he sees the car for the first time, it is going to be so sick. I'm going to miss this car. That FI exhaust, it just sounds otherworldly. Now Chandler's gonna be here in about 25 minutes, and check this out. Chandler is hooking up the Strad fam. So Chandler's a real estate guru. That's how he bought my Ferrari 458. That's how he bought the C8 Corvette about 6 months ago. And he has over 100 plus rental properties that he's accumulated over the past 7 years. And he put together this amazing real estate course. And just for us, using the code Stradman, you can get the course for $100. It's usually like a $300-400 value, $100, but it only lasts for 7 days. So check it out. Man, I miss this car so much. That purple is just glistening, bro. How's it going, dude?
So good. How was
the trip?
It was good, man.
You made good time, right?
Yeah,
I'm sure you did.
The wrong turn like 5 minutes out.
Oh, really?
But we made it.
Man, you're just buying all my cars.
I know, man. I love this. I just got to keep being able to afford it, and I'm down to do it.
Let's do it. Bugatti someday, maybe?
Yes, please.
Let's do it. Okay, so the car's in the garage. I know you've seen it, but it looks so much better now.
I'm so excited.
Yes, yes, yes. So you're buying a car from me and you're also bringing gifts.
Yeah.
You need to buy everything. Like, just keep buying cars.
Well, I mean, when you give me the car for free, I have to.
This is like trying to unwrap my 430 challenge right now. Yo, that's so sick, dude. That's amazing. You test drove the car, what, like 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago.
And you fell in love with the exhaust,
It's
and now
incredible.
here it is. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Chandler's audience doesn't know what he bought. Now they do.
Holy cow, man.
Doesn't it look so much better?
Flawless.
I know, it's such a beautiful car. Dude, you're gonna love it. Ooh, the engine's warm, so feel free at your discretion. Have as much fun as you want. Do it again, one more time, one more time. Wow, I'm gonna miss this car so much. I just got a bunch of dust in my eyes. I'm good. There's just nothing like a straight pipe 458. It sounds so much better.
So good.
It sounds better when you rev it than me. There's like, I can see dust like circulating in the garage from that. My eardrums hurt so much. It echoed so much in there. It's always sad to sell a car, and we've been selling so many cars, but Chandler, he is the right guy. Like, first Ferrari, he bought the C8. He's gonna love this car so much. All right, here we go. How you feeling, big boss?
Oh, so good.
So like I said on your video, keep the car in race mode. If you take traction control off, that's on you, bro. Now you have a car collection, dude.
Yeah.
Wow, that Corvette does look so good in motion.
It does look so good.
I need another purple car in the garage.
We gotta get my dad to drive it.
Yes, we do. I would wonder if the C8 or the 458 is faster, though.
Yeah. Well, according to online, the C8 is faster.
Right.
But
you're a great driver.
it's true.
Your dad is a
He's
lawyer.
He's very conservative.
He is very conservative. We were fighting traction. You could feel the tires spinning. That was
pretty cool.
That was unplanned. That was perfect. The cars are really, really close.
He wasn't even stepping on it.
That's what they all say. All I hear is excuses left and right. Jeez. That's so cool to have these two cars together. Wow. I think he wants to go. This is happening. This is round 2, baby. Bye. We're gonna line up the C8 and the Ferrari 458. That C8 is crazy fast though, so it should wallop this car. That was crazy close. Somehow I found myself in the Tesla. This white interior is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing because, so this is the key right here. Check that out. It's like a credit card. I just realized I always lose to Chandler, but finally we are in the proper Tesla against the C8 Corvette, so I think I kind of sort of stand a chance as long as I don't mess it up. All I have to do is mash the gas and I'm good. It's like a brotherhood. Oh, he didn't even acknowledge me. I just waved to him and he didn't. Man, what is the guy? He's probably seen all the videos of me making fun of license plates on Teslas. Anyways. Beat me! I'm an idiot! How did I just lose? What? How did I just lose? What did I do wrong? Am I in like ludicrous plus mode? I don't know anything about Teslas. How did I just lose? I just embarrassed my name's pretty much embarrassed already. Well, anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The other Tesla guy just looked at me with I'm sorry, bro. I just embarrassed us.
You lost?
Somehow. I don't know how. I'm sorry. It's not a representation of Tesla, it's a representation of my inadequacies as a human. Inadequacies. That's a hard word to say. Chandler's gonna let me drive the C8, the nostalgia. I miss this car so much. Being back in the Corvette, I missed how cool this car is. I love the camera there in the rear view mirror. The 458 looking so smug and so good. Unfortunately, because of the Salt Lake police officer in front of us, this is the weakest acceleration of my entire life. Chandler's in the 458, same. Tesla doesn't matter, obviously, but my apologies. Man, we bring this guy over, and he's just driving his new Ferrari on the grass. Burlacker's not happy. My rent just went up. I'm gonna have to fix this. Chandler, now that you have a supercar collection, how do you do it? I know you're a real estate guru, but how?
Well, it started with door-to-door sales. And
Okay.
if people want to know more about that, they can check it out. But really, it's from passive income that I've acquired through real estate. So you buy real estate, it goes up in value, but I also get cash flow, and the cash flow from my properties has bought my house, my cars, everything.
Dude, that's so sick. So obviously I have all this money invested in cars. I don't even own a house. So when you hear about me and you see me, it's just a massive eye roll, but that's gonna change because I need to get in real estate.
We are gonna get you
ASAP.
in.
Yes.
100%, we gotta get you a fourplex.
I want to, because you have 114 units. You've been doing this for what, 7 years?
Mm-hmm.
That's insane. So every year on average, you pick up what, 15 properties roughly?
Yeah, it's
That's
gotten
so sick.
It's gotten bigger and bigger. This last year, like 30
Dude,
plus.
I don't know why. Like, I really want to get into real estate. And guys, like I mentioned earlier, Chandler has a course, $100. It lasts for 7 days. It expires November 9th. Code Stradman. Go check it out. I'm taking the course. I already mentioned that. Some of these things I'm already mentioned, but like I'm taking the course and it's awesome. I guarantee you, in the next 6 months, I'll own a rental property because of this guy right here. Well, you hate to see her go, but man, do you love to watch her leave. I miss the purple, I miss the C8. Someday, very soon. Well, there she goes. Another car sold to Chandler. Safe travels, dude. All the neighbors love it when I sell another one of the loud cars. Unfortunately, nobody's buying this car. The tentative plan was to unwrap it today, but I'm just so tired. And I don't know. Oh gosh, I don't even want to think about it. I'm gonna miss that Ferrari though. This satin pearl white paint, it just hits differently depending on the lighting. Wow, okay, so we gotta go swap this for Nick's Raptor. Another car sold and a new car to the fleet, the Aventador Roadster. I do love that 458. Like I said, I still have the wide body kit, so I'd imagine in the future, maybe there's another one. And just like that, unofficially, we have swapped out the 458 Spider for the Aventador Roadster. I know, I love the 458. I know I've been selling so many cars. I just feel like YouTube, there's been a lot of Ferrari wide bodies. There's gonna continue to be a lot of Ferrari wide bodies. We need an Aventador wide body Roadster, and so the deed is done. The 458 is gone. Chandler is gonna love that car. That car is amazing. I still have the wide body kit, so maybe someday. Now, if somebody does really wanna buy this wide body kit, I have it. I got a great deal on it. There's the front bumper right there. We got the carbon diffuser, and of course the rest of the kit is right here. Now I did buy this as a used kit, so this was on another Ferrari 458. If you want to build a Liberty Walk 458, let me know. I would sell this kit. The exhaust for my Shelby Raptor should be here in maybe 2-3 weeks. I gotta be honest, she is a looker. What a car. I'm so excited to have an Aventador Roadster. And just like that, the Ferrari 458 Spider is off to the beautiful state of Idaho. I know you guys are thinking I'm buying and selling cars way too fast, but sometimes in life, opportunities present themselves and you just swing for the fences, and this is what happens. I think the Liberty Walk Aventador is gonna be cooler than the 458 Liberty Walk. That's kind of like the purpose. So hopefully you guys agree. This car is giving me major anxiety. I should be working on this car, but I am exhausted. Be sure to check out Chandler's YouTube channel, link in the description below. A lot of the stuff that he does on his real estate course, he actually provides for free on his YouTube channel, so check it out. Go give him a subscribe button. He's got the C8, he's got the 458, films all sorts of crazy car content. Oh, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.